Vera Rubin. Vera Rubin is not one chip. This entire thing is Vera Rubin from end to end. It has GPUs, Vera Rubin MVLink 72. Each one of these systems would be a complete revolution in itself. Vera Rubin is the most ambitious endeavor in the history of our company. A long time ago, Nvidia used to be a GPU company. But over the years, we've evolved to become a systems company. You're looking here now for the most complex system, most complex and ground-up system ever designed. But ultimately, our customers, our partners, don't want to buy computers. They want to build AI factories, which is the reason why Nvidia has really started to transform ourselves yet again. We are building a full-stack system so that our customers could build amazing AI infrastructure. I'm so happy. Here I am standing in front of you. Vera Rubin is in full production. This is Vera Rubin. Vera Rubin MVLink 72. This is Vera CPU rack, 256 CPUs, all liquid cooled. This is the Vera BlueField storage processing system. No cables, no hoses, no fans. There's a PCB in the middle, which connects both sides. What used to take 2 hours now takes 5 minutes. A CPU the world has never seen before. We call it Vera. This is CPU for agents. All the CPUs of the past, we built for humans. This CPU is built for agents. Now, inside our system, it's used for 3 different ways. The first way, of course, is Vera Rubin for thinking. And inside the Vera Rubin rack, there are already 2 CPUs. The Vera compute is used for the harness, the orchestration of the AI models, tool use, accessing the database. And the data servers are right here, Vera BlueField, the fastest storage system the world has ever made. This is the first CPU that's been built a long time that is literally at reticle limits with a fabric that connects all of the CPU cores that is speed of light, 3.6 terabytes per second.
Nvidia Vera is the CPU, built for the agentic loop. Vera is the CPU for the age of agents.
The takeaway here is that this is the application pattern. This is the computing pattern of the next decade. And so we have the Nvidia Agent Toolkit for enterprise AI. You can run agents from anybody. You could run Cloud Code, incredible agent, Codex, incredible agent. You could run it inside this harness called OpenShell, which will be highly secure for your inside the enterprise. NVIDIA is dedicated to build open models for the world so that all of you, all of us, could create our own agents. Today, we're announcing the Neotron 3 Ultra. Yep, our next open model. And it is smart. All of this from the model, the training script, and the data made completely available to you.